Tomorrow night, witness the epic story of faith and courage. The Ten Commandments, starring Charlton Heston as Moses, comes to CFN. Don't miss this timeless classic as Moses leads the Israelites out of slavery and receives the Ten Commandments from God. The Ten Commandments, tomorrow night at 5 on CFN. And then join us next week for a Stuart Little double feature. Catch the original Stuart Little at 5, and then catch the exciting sequel, Stuart Little 2, at 7. It all starts next Friday night at 5 on CFN. You won't want to miss it.